3 a.m. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get it. Days up staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. So I'll go and stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it as it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best, I know, oh well. But this time will not be the same. It's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get up.
Alright, good Sunday morning. We're getting ready to head off to church. Today is the first regular season of football for Panthers, so I put my Panther earrings in, and you know that means chili. And then also I'm going right now to Starbucks to get my first pumpkin spice latte before church so I can take it with me. And yeah, so happy Sunday.
Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold.
Hey, thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Can I get 2 grande pumpkin spice lattes?
Hot?
Yes, please.
What else for you?
And then the baked apple croissant.
The baked apple croissant?
Yep.
What else for you?
That'll be all.
We'll see you up here.
Thank you.
Everything, you know I'm listening.
Sorry, I already took a bite, but this is actually really good. So cute. It's kind of muted down this year, but whatever. I'm gonna eat this really quick and then we'll go in.
Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you. Babe, I feel the rush. Undeniable, unexplainable. I've got the joy of it's
It's really, really important. It's incredible because when I saw the theme, the Echo of Eden, I was really excited because this is kind of my favorite topic to talk about. And actually, I've written about a whole thing about it in one of my...
All right, leaving church. We're gonna head, I want to stop at the Dollar Tree that's on my way home. Because I was in there not too long ago and they had really cute pumpkin mugs that were bigger. So if I can get my hands on them, I'd like to. And then I need to hit Food Lion for like 2 items. And then we will go home and enjoy chili and watch some football. Pumpkin mugs. These are actually good size compared to the ones that are over there. Those ones are real little. I feel like they're more teacups. This is a coffee cup. And I wanted something festive to be able to drink out of on the day-to-day just to make the fall season special. So I got these two. I think they were $1.50 each. If I knew I'd have guests that would actually drink out of them, I probably would get more, but I didn't. We're gonna get started on these muffins. My bad, I did forget to buy chives. I've looked up some other recipes and there's some that don't use chives, so we're just gonna wing it with the cheese and the zucchini. I'm gonna attempt to cut this recipe in half because I really don't think I need more than 6 biscuits or 6 muffins.
Everything you touch, baby, I miss it. Everything you do, baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch tastes good. I know, baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you. It comes and goes in the blink of an eye. Soon as I swear you've been left behind, all the colors come back so bright. Wish I could keep you in black and white, sorta like a picture in a drawer. I don't wanna look at anymore, but it's too hard to ignore that I'll never not feel like yours. Holding on to someone new's the only time I feel like I'm still holding on to you. It's like an instant rewind to New Year's Eve at midnight. Taste your lips like Napa red wine. Wish I wasn't looking back on you, but I still do. Deja vu, deja vu, deja vu. It comes and goes like the pull of a wave. Here for a second and down the drain. I'm getting dizzy doing double takes. I'm overseeing you and everything, but it's too hard to ignore that I'll never not feel like yours. Oh no, holding on to someone new's the only time I feel like I'm still holding on to you. It's like an instant rewind to New Year's Eve at midnight. Taste your lips like Napa red wine. Wish I wasn't looking back on you, but I still do. Deja vu, deja vu, deja vu. Holding on to someone new, it's the only time I feel like I'm still holding on to you. It's like an instant rewind to New Year's Eve at midnight. Taste your lips like Napa red wine. Wish I wasn't looking back on you, but I still do. I still
2 things. One, if you make those zucchini muffins, make sure you put chives in it. I will say they were decent, but they were very blah. They needed that extra herb in it. So those were good. I enjoyed my chili. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this Sunday, where I do my ritual of getting my first pumpkin spice latte and having chili as I watch the first regular season football game. Hopefully the Panthers will stay at least neck and neck or maybe win, because they haven't had the greatest seasons the last few years. But I do hope you enjoyed. I'm going to be just here on the couch watching the game for the rest of the day. But I hope everyone has a blessed day.